block. Two-handed. Ugh. There we go. Oh, I want to do 60 more damage. Man, being a blacksmith, Argonian blacksmith is cool. Whoa! Holy shit. Where's that little boy? I want to kill him so bad. The one that goes, another person to lick my father's boots. Your shoes with your boots. Oh! Earless. Oh shit! He's at. Oh man, this isn't good. Man, he's actually really. My life is brilliant.
Enough. That's enough. You should be talking to my student. I surrender. Give me a few hours to gather my household. I'll depart. You have my word. Ignar Grey.
Yeah, I love how they just. Oh yeah.
Family was noticeably absent.
What do you need for dinner tonight, yo?
Now I know why. Wouldn't the dagger in the back have sufficed? I couldn't feel in a position to hold now. But mark my words, old man. In the days to come, Ulfric will spread his rebellion. And what then? We need the Empire as much as it needs us. We Nords are the Empire. Our blood built it. Our blood sustains it. You, of all people, should know that. Tell me, Vignar, was all this worth it? How many of those corpses lining our streets wear the faces of men who once called you friend? What about their families?
Enough! Both of you! There is a burning city out there that needs a government.
This isn't over. Hear me, you old fool? This isn't over. And you, a Stormcloak. I thought better of you. You'll all come to regret this day.
I should kill you, but I won't.
Tell Ulfric of our victory here. They will sing stories of this day.
He's got on our team? Yeah, I think he's on our team. Oh yeah, these guys are bosses. What do I do now? Do I have to like? What about his wizard? It's all gone. Okay, enchanter. Yeah, I need them. Alchemy. Now with the storm cloaks rule over. Some more wine. How about a drink? Wingard Greymane. Let's drink. Where's good drink.
Get over to Vendhelm. Tell Ulfric of our victory here.
I will. Just wait. Just wait.
Damn faithless Imperials. Talos guide you.
Wait, he looks pretty cool.
Fight, or die
Oh, how do we get up here? Oh.
Keep your eyes open. Oh,
Sorry about that, guys. My freaking brother. He always have to annoy me. I don't know why. Okay, so now we have to get back to Windhelm. So much dead bodies. Oh yes, we're level 10 now. So I guess we have to find a blacksmith in Windhelm now. Make him like our new friend. Oh, I want to know if Riverwood was affected by this. Gotta quickly check.
We sure showed them, huh? Thanks for your part in all that.
What's happened here now? Oh, down here. I want to quickly see if I can use it.
if we killed the dragon once, we can do it again. With your help, of course.
Can we use this blacksmith? Can we unlock this? Ugh.
By order of the Jarl, stop right there.
Oh!
Smart man. Now, come along with us. We'll take any stolen goods, and you'll be free to go. After you pay the fine, of course.
Oh man, I didn't know. Sorry about that, guys.
Couldn't have done that without you.
Oh, no problem. Is everything good with us?
Good job
Nothing
out there.
taken off us?
Glad you were with
Good.
us.
You know, let's just fast travel. Fast travel to Riverwood first. See what happens.
Disrespect the law, and you disrespect me. I used to be an adventurer like you.
Lol.
Then I took an arrow in the knee.
There's still Whiterun guards here. It's kind of. Guess he hasn't got a news yet.
Be a lot warmer and a lot happier when ready for the meal.
Let's get on our house. Where are we gonna go? I want to see if that auger that org flew back. Cause like when you mine ores they go away, but I want to know if they come back every time. It will stand here. There it is. Looks like it's still, yeah, still Palace of Kings. Here we go. Oh, we gotta find the blacksmith also. I want a blacksmith. Buy some stuff of him. Before we gotta talk to Ulfric Stormcloak. See mother suit mother thing you shot upon me. Never mind. Here we go.
Wait, I know you.
No, you don't. I don't think you do. It's Ulfric. Quick save it quickly.
We've driven the Imperials out of Whiterun.
Yes, we have.
This is good. Very good. We now control the center. It's a powerful position. One I aim to keep. We'll call you Ice Veins now. For the thick blood of our land has seeped into your heart. Here, take this. It's an Imperial officer's sword. A fitting weapon to use against our enemy.
What's our next move against
I
Yamba?
suspect you'll be of greater use to us with greater freedom. So you're free to engage the Imperials as you see fit. But I also want you to find our hidden camp in Fort Greeth. Galmar will have special tasks for you, and will need you when we liberate the capital.
Okay.
You'll be doing whatever Galmar tells you to do, and causing as much mayhem as possible for the Empire and any Jarl who supports them. Go with the gods.
Okay, so we gotta do that now. Yes, we can take all this now. Because he trusts us. Take some of that. Sit at the table. I don't know why I sat here. Cheese.
The Stormcloaks are finding victory across the land. I'm
Wow.
not much of a strategist, but Lord Ulfric listens to my counsel all the same. If you have any news of the Western Holds, take it to Ulfric immediately.
And we have to get to... I accidentally used my thing ability, my once a day ability, but let's go find the blacksmith here in... What is it? Windhelm. Let's go find the blacksmith. I'm sorry. Whoa.
Hold it there. Keep your distance. Another girl killed. This is Susanna from Candlehearth Hall.
Oh.
Served me a drink just a few nights ago, but I can't say I knew her. Same as the others. Looks like she was stabbed and then cut apart. Like an animal got to her, but these are the wounds of a blade. Susanna's the third. It's always the same. Young girl killed at night, body torn up. We're stretched thin as it is with the war. Nobody has the time to spend on this. Not pleasant, but it's the truth. If you want to help, ask some of these Gorkers if they saw anything useful.